Hello sir, myself Akil, roll number 129. Today I am here to do my presentation on topic refrigerator and heat pump. So first one, we will introduce what is refrigerator. So it is a device which maintains temperature below 10 atmospheric temperature. It's work on basic principle which is work on basic principle by providing a cooling media around an object which is to be cooled. And it has four components commonly: compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. So first one is compressor. In refrigeration system, hermetically sealed type reciprocating compressor is used. It is the heart of refrigeration system. Further refrigeration. Aditya Karan.
My name is Aditya Khandelkar. My roll number is 128. Refrigerator has four components. It contains condenser, evaporator, and compressor. Evaporator always obstruction to the flow. It is responsible for the production of colder liquid. It causes the pressure and temperature drop in the high pressure liquid. Second one is evaporator. Evaporator is a heat exchanger. It is used for carry the refrigerant all over the body. And last one is the condenser. Condenser is a heat exchanger fitted outside the refrigerator. It used for in this vapor will get condensed and liquid and temperature will come down the normal level.
Now I am explaining to introduce the heat pump. So heat pump is a device that can transfer the heat from one place to another place. Heat pump is mainly can use the transfer the heat. As Akim and Aditya says, the working of a refrigerator, they can refrigerator produce the chilled area, and heat pump produce the hot air. Heat pump is a device that can in winter that can absorb the heat surrounding area and produce and spread the heat in room or building and human area. Now Suresh explaining the working of heat pump and refrigerator.
Hello sir, I am Sachin Bushkoit. Today I am present here the working of refrigerator and heat pump. In that refrigerator, now refrigerator consists of compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. In that refrigerator, the compressor is the heart of refrigerator. Evaporator sucks the air and provide the compressor. Compressor is compress the air and provide the condenser of high temperature and high pressure. After passing of condenser, the condenser and expansion of then low pressure and low temperature, then continues that process. After that, similar to heat pump, but reverse phenomena in heat pump. Heat pump consists of boiler, pump, condenser, and turbine. First of all, the pump provides the water in boiler. The boiler generates steam, and the steam is provided to turbine, and expansion takes place in turbine. After expansion, the rotation of turbine, then rotary motion produced and work developed. Turbine work developed device, and then turbine outlet steam is provided in condenser, and then that process is also continuous. And in refrigerator is used to maintain the temperature below atmosphere, and heat pump is maintain temperature above atmosphere. Both are follows process, and the COP of refrigerator is always less than heat pump, and COP of heat pump is always greater than refrigerator. Thank you. Next one please.
Hello sir, I am Ashutosh Rai, roll number 134. I am explaining advantages and disadvantages as well as application. The application of heat pump is used in building because of reduce temperature as well as cooling temperature. Heat pump is always reduce heat from building out of the temperature of building in as well as cooling in the out of temperature of heat on the building as well as refrigerator is used for cooling the any food as well as any substance. Heat pump is used in refrigerator. It reduce the heat in the refrigerator and prevent the food as well as advantages of its application. It has low life cycle as well as reduce final energy and reduce carbon dioxide in 25% to 65%. And disadvantages of this application high initial investment cost as well as required larger soil surface and water film. Thank you, sir.